maybe come next year.
Jorite aluora ma kaunti ma Kilifi owacho ni monj mosebedo ka le mag bunge kod jopiny osebedo karakore odok chien kaluwore gi terruok ma kinde ka kinde ma gitimo ne jopiny. Giwacho ni chon jopiny ne monjo repe kendo negogi ka giketho mwandu mag puothe, ka sani to koro gikunyo oula mamono repe go donjo e puothe. Giwacho ni ok owinjore dhano oneg le kaka jasike nimar ginyalo dak kanyakla gi kwee.
Hapa wamechimba mtaro kila shamba ili wapate kufanya nini? Ili wapate kuvizuia na wenyeji ndio wanalima mashamba yao. Na viboko vilikuwa vingi vikaingia mpaka kwenye mashamba ya watu. Huku manyumbani ya watu wakaanza kuua mpaka mbuzi za wenyewe. Ikawa shida nyingi zimetokea mpaka kwa KWS kwa sababu wengi walienda wakishtaki.
85% of the job done is good because we're seeing only small little traps for small animals like the dick, the birds that they are trying to trap. But yes, we are saying there's a positive thing going where the community is protecting the hippo. Not this time where the community was telling us, chase the hippos away from here, and they were killing them. But nowadays, they are living with the hippos. They have known that keep your distance from the hippo is okay.
Now we have what is called walking with the rangers. Before we would just introduce short excursions without them, but when we have bigger groups, we have the rangers. It seems to excite the groups. They're very happy about it, and we hope to have more collaboration.
E kinde ni maskunde ma pacho ka iyaone tam mokwongo ma higa ni board kod jonyuol matao sikund primar ma Marti e kaunti ma Samburu koro kwayo sirikal mondo ornegi obila